Ono nko president ya webedi Ghana so a okuta 16 regions. Guess what that comes with? Extra responsibility. Extra responsibility. Adintia. Because first no, now your regions are 10. Okay. Now with the same resources, we have created 6 extra regions. Now, what makes Akufo-Addo scary for these people who hate the truth in the say, and God is my witness, not good. Every part of Ghana has received at least a bit of the national cake in all sector. That is the craziness of it. In all sector. In all sector. Nana Akufo-Addo is the only person that has been able to manage 16 regions, okay? Constructed roads in all 16 regions, yes. Provided educational infrastructure in all 16 regions, yes. Been able to create administrational blocks for all 16 regions, yes. Been able to do things to benefit the whole Ghana, hence free SHS. It's only Akufo-Addo, and it is 16 regions. Now, Adiebiya Mwawa. Oka se okwa probono. Me da say Kumase for. Finally, some of you have come to your senses and saying said there be Samoka se Akufo-Addo any mundi ya na mobwa Akufo-Addo aya ade pa. Emede pa se mwankasa asantifo magia to mu say eye achenkwana na wonu mbre mu no wenjem mu na mbom we make sure say ohwe obia. Now see another myopic mind. We Godwin Digbo, who na know so NDC, who sent him to create 16 regions. Also we Jimmy for. Principal Limefa says here. Also we Jimmy for. Okase. It has taken them seven governments now, and Oma patch also hands down. NDC winning. Look at what Bawumia and them did in the north there. Look at what now Oti chiefs are saying now. Say, for 7 times they have seeked several governments, say, Mumma ye region, but they never gave them. 7 times. 7 times they have seeked, say, Omuhia regional capital, Omuhia say, Beyomo region. It never happened. But Akufo-Addo listened and did it for them. Unless the Omuye Buniaye for Nombeto Aba Edietia NPP are buying the next time around. And I'm glad the man actually confessed, said they are sorry. Say he created the region and they voted against him. But they promised him, say, come 2024, him and his people would actually vote for the NPP. Look at what Peter Mewu is doing in HOHOE. Look at how gradually Nana-Addo is winning HOHOE, winning voter region bit by bit. All tells you, say, this man is a unique man. Now, enunti ena me saw camera no eja medin kai ama background kakre memfa enombra in the next 20 minutes na men sorry so mama kire wade bi Nana-Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo is the only president that has 16 regions. Utie, His Excellency Nana-Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, you were a graduate, you couldn't get a job. Somebody finds a way to create job for you so that the skills you have learned at school wouldn't be to waste. Not only that, the man made sure so amount experience said the beya and there say oko apply for another job ni besides how many years of experience do you have in this field that at least be to make us from 2019 to 2020 you have done this type of job over 3 years experience. Yeah. And you sit there, allow a party that could not give you a job because according to them you were not experienced. Isn't it sad? Ghana for NAPCO for na many omokasan. And that is why I saw said they were very ungrateful in Tinesanana Sebe Etwemukra na me na happen. To be honest with you, because NAPCO 4 people, they really let me down. The NAPCO people really let me down. Matnefie since 2013. Some of you since 2013. Munye jumanye. Obia ba befawa ma NAPCO. Charles Kweku say he's intelligent but not wicked. I said wicked in a sarcastic way. Say Kufuor, you wicked in a sarcastic way. Because Charles, Osha dia papa ne ye now. Opeso gu NDC. Opeso gu NDC party totally and san we free so. Look at what is happening in the north. North when you can ya. When him say Professor Mills is the only NDC candidate here. Now on go according to party no the way a normal person mo ye niama. And most of the people are now corruption ne party no area omono. They didn't like Professor Mills. Professor Mills was the type where say ukofes kebiba na sisika no hwe na sisika no bro no so na sisika no make sense to make us sisika we there. No, we don't have to really go through with it. Professor Mills is the type that will visit actually the Temahabo and actually let people feel the heat. That type of NDC leader, and unfortunately they didn't allow him to finish his tenure. But anyways, I don't quite change. And then you want to me buy me papa na Nkrumah. Adintia. Very simple. First one I make say Mekai say Nana Akufo-Addo case will be the president, and as started say or be there for president. Now most people were not on his side, to be honest with you, including his own party. Most people were not on his side. But Oyunipebia or a special breed, he didn't give up. Neither did he allow what people were saying outside to deter him from what he was doing. Very special. Onipebi wa oni bibi ya pa ba obi kan bibi ana ebu na bam ti ontumi nye bio obi wo hɔ a onim kasa pa ba to di nipa mu ana ache no ana se oyemfom so a na ache no. No, fellas, I disagree. Was it not the same Professor Mills time that the NDC stole 20 million to build? No, that was yes, but that was one of the money that the man never agreed with the party with. Who could read the NDC for Ankasa or Mankasa right now? Professor Mills was never for that money, to be honest with you. Mr. Lily, Professor Mills was never for that tea-free that was going on in NDC. And that is why they didn't like him, to be honest with you. Yes, he was a bit inactive. Yes, me and you agree on that. But he tried his best to stay away, even though the party he belongs to was corrupted like that. But now let me go back to Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Nana Addo tried first, second, third. Then God lifted his hands and he became the president. Now, your president to be Bahwa, your friend of Dr. Osaje for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. Or your papa be a Ghana Funi na your tout to say semi-instrument can you can say he's our best president. Fine. Nkrumah at his time was presiding over 6 million people, if my memory serves me right, and if the data is correct. He was left with a lot of money by the British so that Ghana can also develop. Into no mujaniska se unfen develop Ghana. As a result of that, and some of this Ghana to me the be develop Ghana, e be so called baby. Na me pese me de Nana Akufo-Addo a total Nkrumah ho and kakra mo bi abunfu CPP ni bia mo abunfu. I just want to see some person Nkrumah ne your best leader.